What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the garage right now. I got the Civic in here. I'm gonna do a few things to it. Oh, and I also just picked up this suction cup mount for the GoPro. I'll be able to throw this on the side of the hatch here. Go racing and stuff. Let's see. I already opened it, but this is just the stuff that came in it. Suction cup. And just little mounts and stuff. But that's gonna come in real handy. Definitely gonna be putting that to use. But yep, today's video I have this new grill here put in. As you can see, I got the stock one, has the H and silver. And I just got this blacked out mesh one. You can take the mesh off, but I'm gonna leave it on there. So start taking this one out. I also need to get that battery out of there, way down in there. I need to get it to the back, but that'll be for another video. Anyway, on this, they got some zip ties holding it, some push pins, and I think it's screwed to the bottom of this. Alright, so I was right, there are 6 screws actually behind here. Got one on the side there, and then along the bottom here, and then one on the other side. So I'm gonna start taking those out. Alright, so I got all 6 of those screws out, so this should just pop off. Okay, it comes right out. And now you can see where those screws were. Alright, so it turns out you can't really use the mesh one because it like hits the little lip here, and so do the little washers for these little screws that hold the mesh in. And as you can see, I already tried like trimming it the best I could to try to make it clear, but it's just not gonna work, so I'm gonna have to do with this now. But I still think it looks better than the stock one, just because I don't know, I don't like the little H and stuff in there, and maybe a little bit of better cooling, I don't know. But yep, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna get some new things. This one's a little loose right here. Some new pins. These two are in there pretty good, but I've got 2 more spots here I'm gonna get some for. Yeah, that's pretty much that. I got more installs and more parts for this thing, so stay tuned to the channel and follow along with this build. Yeah.